It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. When I seen these on social media, I had to go and get them. They are Marks and Spencer's British 2 perfectly poached eggs. Now, I'm a fried egg man myself. Chuck some eggs in the frying pan, chuck them on some toast, absolutely fantastic. I don't think I've ever had a poached egg in my life. This is probably the first time ever. And I had to kind of look at how it was done and whatnot to see what it actually was, a poached egg. But this is kind of blown up a little bit on social media because apparently they're very, very good. My wife, though, has asked one thing. She's asked me to mention one thing because she's seen these in the fridge. She said an egg is encased in its own protection. Marks and Spencer's have removed the eggshell, the protection, and put it in plastic. That's the only thing she said to mention. Me personally, it's a tiny little bit of plastic. It's probably not going to damage too much in the way of the world. Am I a little ignorant? I just don't like bringing these things to the channel. I'd rather just be a little bit wallpaper-like when it comes to kind of being controversial. Right, so these go in the microwave, by the way. 750 watts, 1 minute, 900 watts, 50 seconds. Remove sleeve, place pack directly into microwave, cook on high, 100%. After cooking, leave to stand for 2 minutes. Guide for 1 pack only, do not reheat. Now, right, so obviously that's the sleeve. I've removed the sleeve. Do you not, I'm wondering if this is going to explode. But let's look at them. So I'm going to go and make some toast now.
I'm having trouble hearing.
Shut up, you.
Say that again.
I'm going to go and make some toast, put these in the microwave, and I'll be back when they're cooked. Toast is in. I've decided to... I've not pierced the film lid on this. I've decided to film this because I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, it seems okay, doesn't it? Yeah. This is the most riveting YouTube video ever, I think. 30 seconds. Only because I was always told never to microwave eggs. And I really want to see if this has worked. Oh, things are banging. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. Right, okay. I'll butter the toast. I'll be back when this is on the plate. Right, here we go then. Ooh. So all that's left is the brine in the bottom. These look good. This is what the internet loves about these things. Apparently they break open lovely. Oh, look at that. Only Marks and Spencers could do something like that, couldn't they? I mean, that is really well thought out. I did put it in for 1 minute and 10, not the minute that they asked for. And the reason I did that is because my microwave is rubbish. But no, look, we have drippy egg. Let's try it with some toast. Here we go. Oh. The brine has made the eggs slightly salty. Oh, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Look at that. It's a lovely egg. The yolk is fantastic. Oh. I never thought I'd be standing here making a video of this sort of thing. But it's perfect, isn't it? There is one thing I want to say. You could, for the same money, the £2 that they're asking for 2 eggs, you could probably buy, or you definitely can buy 6 eggs for £2. 6 free-range eggs for £2 in a supermarket. And if you're a good enough cook, make poached eggs yourself. Could I do that? Could I make poached eggs? If I was to take the time to read books, cooking books, and watch YouTube videos on how to do it, yeah, probably. So you could buy 6 eggs for the same money and make your own poached eggs with some toast. But these are, make no bones about it. Make no bones about it. This is just fantastic. A really, really lovely breakfast. It really is. So I'm going to rate these. £2 isn't a lot of money these days. But for what you're getting here, for the convenience of this product, the quality, the slightly kind of salty, briny water in the eggs, they're fantastic. They really are. I like them. Overlooking all the plastic stuff that my wife asked me to mention, and the fact that you could buy a box of eggs for £6, a box of 6 eggs for £2. Overlooking all of that, these are great. These are great. They're tasty. I'd buy them again. Minute in the microwave, toast on, perfect breakfast. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. I hope you liked the video. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom, cheers.